Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you what I received from Chanel, Van Cleef and Arpels, and I'll take you shopping with me, so please stay tuned. I came home and I saw this corner by my mom. She put all the gifts or the flowers that she's been receiving while I was at work. We're gonna go for dinner in 10 minutes, but I'm hoping to unbox it quickly for you guys. And by the way, these flowers are just from my husband, from some of my family members. So this is a gift from Chanel. I will unbox every single item, and I received these flowers as well. And those flowers are from Van Cleef and Arpels. That bottle of Prosecco is from VCA as well. I will start from VCA. I received a book, which I'll show you in a minute, and the card as well. It's so beautiful. It reminds me of Free Wall collection, my favorite. And here's the book. It's so cool. I'm so gonna check it out later when I come home. Wow, this look is priceless. Yeah. So many beautiful things in this book actually. I will show you some necklaces that I like. But I like the photography, it's really cool. I need to read about it. This necklace is gorgeous. I like Alhambra a lot. I love everything from VCA, but I'm just trying to finish off my Free Wall collection at the moment, so I could just be over and done with it, and then I can get some more items from Alhambra. I like this necklace, by the way. Moving to Chanel gifts. All the bottles got messed up. I'm a huge fan of Chanel makeup, but I'm a bit new to perfume. I mean, I have the standard ones like Chanel No. 5, which I don't really use so much. Coco, I can't remember all the names, but it's nice to try different scents, and I prefer the lighter ones, just like Hermes has. I'm sure from so many samples I can find some that I really love. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. After all the unboxings, I'm gonna go shopping and I'll take you with me, so please stay tuned. I wonder what's in this box. I really like the Christmas packaging, it's really cool. I'm so gonna keep it. Actually, I didn't receive my Christmas gift from Chanel this year, and I didn't really expect to get anything for my birthday either, but it's very nice to come home and discover it. I really like this globe. I saw that some people on Instagram got it, and I really love it. I'm glad they sent it to me. It's really cool. I'm so gonna keep it. I'm gonna put it on my table and we'll look at it. Next up, I wonder what is this one. It's not very easy to unbox it with one hand, but I just want to film it before we go to the restaurant and show you guys. This is really nice. It's a bracelet and I really like it. So beautiful. I really love it. It's so nice of Chanel to send it to me. I will show you how it looks on me. I need to ask my husband or my mom to close it, but it looks really cool. I love it. So pretty. And this is the last box from Chanel. I wonder what's inside. I totally didn't expect Chanel to send me anything, but it's very sweet. I think it's a scarf. I actually really needed a small scarf from Chanel. It was on my wish list. I wanted to get it to wear with my shirt and some of my jackets, and I really love the color combination. It's beautiful. Wow, I'm really touched. Thank you so much, Chanel. I also received 2 cards, one from the store and one from my essay, which is very sweet. Today is the next day and I'm checking out some items. I wanted to add this tennis bracelet, which is so pretty. I'm gonna check out a few stores. I'm going to go to local brands and see if I can get a bracelet at a good price. I'm not sure yet if I will totally get something today, but it's good to check the prices, plan my wish list for 2020. By the way, I'm gonna film a video about my wish list items, so please stay tuned. And we are also going to Dior event with my friend. It's actually my first event by Dior because I don't really buy from them, but yeah, it's interesting to check out some of the items. First, we're gonna look at some bags and some accessories, and then we're gonna go for the launch event, and I'll take you with me. This new size is so cute. What do you guys think about this size? Do you like it? It's really tiny. It's super light too. Even though it's so small, it's actually not very cheap. And here's a bigger size. It's cool too. I like that Dior can customize your name, which is really special. And I saw really cute shoes. This is really nice. And the saddlebag. I'm not a huge fan of the saddlebag, but I like the shoes. Really cute. And you can choose how they will spell out your name, which is really special. And some other accessories. That SLG is really cool. Later I will check out some ready-to-wear. I think I'm more of Dior ready-to-wear fan. I've always liked it, but I've never tried it on. By the way, my friend wants to look at this bag. What do you think about this color combination? I think it's quite pretty. I've decided to try it on and show you guys how it looks. It's pretty heavy, I have to say, but you can definitely put so many items, and it's a perfect bag for traveling. I also like the way it looks with the shoes. Such a beautiful combination, really stunning. And my friend has this small zip coin. How cute is that? And this bag is really nice too. This color is just so gorgeous. I really like it. The light in Dior is not very bright, it's quite hard to see, but it's pretty cute. I just wish it was matte. My friend said that these are the new seasonal colors. What do you guys think about them? Do you like them? I really like the blue one, it's beautiful. And I love this t-shirt, it's stunning. It's so simple but yet so cool. What do you guys think about it? I'm gonna try on some other items. I'm looking for a bar jacket. I'm so obsessed with it. But meanwhile, I found this bag, which is so cute. I got inspired by my friend who is a Dior queen, Trish. I will link down her account in the description box below in case you want to check it out. She has so many of the Lady Dior bags and it's so gorgeous. And this one is really cute. I do like it. It's a perfect bag for work. I can fit so many items in there. And also my friends SA brought me this sweater, which is so cute. Do you guys like it? I think it's really nice. And here is a bar jacket that I'm so obsessed about. It's so going on my wish list. I'll try to get it in Europe to save on tax. And if I'm just gonna wear it for work, it kind of feels like a waste, so I need to get a discount when buying it. Actually, this Lady Dior bag looks amazing here. I really like the combination. I love this whole look. I could totally wear it. I cannot close up the jacket to show you how it looks. I'm wearing a really thick sweater and it's just not gonna look good. But I can imagine how amazing it would look if I just wore that jacket and my Hermes Age belt, or even with Dior belt. It's stunning. We went downstairs where Dior had its launch event of these suitcases, which is so cute. Rimova. I even don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Please tell me if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And these clutches are so cute. I like them. They're kind of heavy, you cannot fit much. There are a few compartments. I'll try to show you what's inside. I love the shape, I could totally wear it. It's really adorable. I like it in this color more than in the black. I think it's more special. and my friend is helping me to show you guys how it looks inside. It's like a big wallet. It's nice. Which color do you guys prefer? And here are some more saddle bags. I'm not a big fan of them. And these bags, they're kind of cute. Interesting designs. We are on our way to Phuket. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday and just relax with my mom and with my husband. My mom is here for Christmas and for my birthday, which is so nice. So we're just gonna spend time together. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog, and please do consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!